Hey guys, it's me, Des, professional real estate investor, and I just wanted to make this short video to talk with you guys about a little talked about technique and strategy for investing in mortgage notes. As you know, I love investing in mortgage notes, but sometimes people come to me and they just don't have enough money to buy a mortgage. Well, here's something that you can do if your pockets aren't deep enough to spend $100,000 or whatever, $200,000 on a mortgage. You can buy something called a partial. And a partial is exactly what it says. It's a part of a mortgage. So let me give you an example of what I mean. Suppose you have a mortgage that's available to you, and let's just say the balance on that mortgage is $100,000. And that mortgage has 15 years to pay. And that means that's 180 payments, 15 years, right? Well, you can offer to buy maybe just 5 years worth of payments instead of the entire mortgage. That's a partial. So for the next 5 years, you will receive the monthly payments. And you can buy those payments at a discount so that you can actually create a nice double-digit return on your money that you are investing. So that's one way that you can invest in a mortgage without having a lot of money. Another thing that you can do, another type of partial, is where you invest and you actually buy a part of a payment. Now let's look at our same example again. So in that $100,000 loan balance, let's just say that the payment is $850 a month for 15 years. Well, you could actually buy part of that $850 payment. Maybe you buy $600 a month of that payment for the next 5 years, 10 years, or even for the entire term. That's also a partial, where in that case, you're not buying the entire payment amount for a specific period of time, but you're buying part of the payment for a specific period of time. Now, this is an advanced strategy that professionals like myself use on a regular basis, but it is an opportunity for anyone that doesn't have a lot of cash to buy into this business and start to build their cash so that at some point they can get out there and play with the big boys and buy those big mortgages, get those big returns that are there and available. And that's how you put your money in motion and how you grow your wealth exponentially using partials. Great strategy, guys. Talk to me about it if you want to know more about it. I'll be happy to teach you the ins and outs of how that works. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you on our next video.